Alam mo, ang nagdadala sa amin dito, prinsipyo, this guy has remained poor. Yung motosiklo niya, yun yung parinoon. Nandiyan lang sa grahe. And he has not really, ng iba na nagkaroon ng pera. He lives as a very simple life. I do not have to compare him with anybody, but he is an entity by himself. I would ask you, because I will be supporting him, whether as, a ticket namin, whether it's a ballot thing or a sample ballot or a simulation or whatever, para hindi kayo mawala, butuhan ninyo ito si Francis. Mas butuhan ninyo yung mga tao. Remember, maghanap kayo ng mga tao na may prinsipyo sa buhay. Importante masyado yan. Para kayong hindi kayo mawala sa landas. Karami ninyong pinili ng mga tao, tingnan mo nangyari sa ating bayan. It's because you go for opportunities, yung kung sinong sikat sa rating, sus Mariusip. You better wake up, guys. So, I'm asking you, not because he's here, not because he's with me. I've always admired this guy. Ako, I go for men, I said, with prinsipyo sa buhay.